Today's recipe will make your mouth water. You've never seen a cookie and coffee mix so delicious as I'm going to show you. First, put some crackers in a container. With 2 spoons of coffee powder, sprinkle on top of the cookies. You won't believe what this will turn out to be in the end. Stir the coffee powder with the cookies with a spoon. Add 2 full glasses of milk. Mix again until the biscuit is very soft, so that the coffee powder turns into a cream along with the milk. Let it rest for 5 minutes for it to get flavor. Throw in a blender and blend your mixture well. Don't forget to write in the comments which country and city you are watching this recipe from. In a pan over medium heat, pour the mixture. Now in the pan, add 1/3 of a cup of sugar. Also add a packet of gelatin. Be patient, because at this point you will need to stir until your mixture is thicker and creamy. The point is exactly that. Now, remove from the pan and place in molds of your choice. Keep it full so you don't waste anything. My grandma used to put it in molds like the one I'm making, but you can feel free to be creative and use other molds, in which case it will be shaped like a muffin. Comment this recipe with your friends and share this video with them. I bet they will love it too. Put it in the fridge and let it harden for a while. Once cooled, take it out of the mold very carefully so it doesn't fall out. Done! This coffee cupcake is delicious, I'm sure you'll like it. See you in the next recipe.